Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to our Fundamentals of Islam Part 2 lesson. And today we're going to be going through the dua to be recited after sneezing. So when someone sneezes, remember we learned the etiquettes and the manners of sneezing in the early book. So in this book, inshallah, we're going to learn when you sneeze, what you read. And this is the dua that you read. So if you can repeat after me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi ala kulli hal. Once more. Alhamdulillahi ala kulli hal. Once more. Alhamdulillahi ala kulli hal. The translation is, all praise is for Allah Azza wa Jal in every circumstance. So when you sneeze, you read this dua. If you can learn this in Arabic and the English translation and try to act upon it whenever you sneeze. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.